The Jamaica Labour Party is in mourning following a motor vehicle crash which claimed the life of Councillor for the HOMESTEAD Division in the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation, Owen Palmer, early this morning. TVJ's Giovanni Dennis reports.
Yet another motor vehicle crash, this time claiming the life of minority leader in the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation and Councillor for the HOMESTEAD Division, Owen Palmer. The councillor died in an early morning car crash along the Old Harbour Main Road in St. Catherine. Reports are that about 4:30 this morning, Mr. Palmer and 4 passengers were travelling in this CRV. Upon reaching this section of the main road in the vicinity of the Willardine community, he lost control of the vehicle, which overturned. 3 persons were thrown from the vehicle. 2 died on the spot, including Mr. Palmer and a 50-year-old Gideon Jimmy Thompson of a Homestead district address. The other 3 persons were seriously injured. They were taken to hospital. Family, friends, colleagues and associates turned up at the Spanish Town Hospital in shock and disbelief. It's a tragedy no one expected.
It's a very mourning mood right now, sir, for the whole entire community. Mr. Palmer was our soul background, our life, our heart. He's a very jovial man, somebody you can call on at any hours of the night, way morning hours, anytime at all. Mr. Palmer is there.
To have lost him under these circumstances, it's so painful. It is something that I'm finding difficult, very, very difficult to grasp and to come to the realization that we have lost him.
This is someone whom I've worked with when I was at the chairman for Homestead Primary School. And the same attitude he had when I was a chairman, willing to allow persons to learn and to teach individual whatever experience he has. And the cruelest thing, we spoke on Friday, and on Saturday he was to come to look at something in my division, and we talked and we made plans to look at it in the afternoon.
The JLP is now focused on 2 by-elections scheduled for tomorrow. For Ms. Grange, the loss of Councillor Palmer and Mr. Thompson is a major blow to the party, especially in St. Catherine.
The party is coping because the by-elections are being managed by a team, but it has severely impacted on us in the parish of St. Catherine in particular, and certainly in Dr. Andrew Wheatley's constituency and in my constituency.
Mr. Palmer was a long-serving political representative who became councillor for the Homestead Division in June 2003. He served as mayor of Spanish Town in 2012. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.